Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're taking a close look at the Kenmore DU1275 Bagless upright vacuum, designed to tackle everything from dust to pet hair while being lightweight and easy to maneuver. With a variety of tools and an extra-large dust cup capacity, it promises to be a powerful cleaning solution for all your needs. But how does it stack up in real-world cleaning scenarios? Let's dive in. The Kenmore DU1275 stands out with its impressive features, starting with its extra-large dust cup capacity. It can hold 3 times more dirt, which means fewer trips to the trash can and more time spent cleaning. With a weight of just under 11 pounds, this full-sized upright vacuum is surprisingly easy to move around, even for those who find heavier models a bit much to handle. It's also designed with swivel steering, making it effortless to glide around furniture and tight corners. But it's not just about the basics. Kenmore has equipped this vacuum with its hair eliminator brush roll, which automatically removes hair and string from the brush roll. This means you no longer have to spend time cutting pet hair or debris from the roller, a big plus for pet owners. The 4 height adjustment settings allow you to switch between carpet, rugs, and hard floors with ease, optimizing suction power and airflow depending on the surface. With a generous 7-foot extended reach, thanks to the 6-foot hose and versatile accessory tools, the Kenmore DU1275 can handle a variety of tasks. Included are a pet HandiMate, an upholstery tool, and a 3-in-1 combination tool that features a crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool. These tools make it easier to clean stairs, furniture, and even your car, giving you flexibility beyond just floor cleaning. In testing, this vacuum performs well on multiple surfaces. On carpets, it picks up fine dust and dirt with ease, while the hair eliminator brush roll ensures that pet hair doesn't get stuck in the roller. On hard floors, it effortlessly picks up debris, and the swivel steering makes it a breeze to maneuver around obstacles. However, like many upright vacuums, it can be a little bulky in tight spaces, but the extended reach compensates for this, allowing you to clean areas that would normally require a handheld vacuum. Noise levels are moderate for an upright vacuum. It's not the quietest on the market, but it's not excessively loud either, especially for its powerful suction capabilities. As for build quality, the Kenmore DU1275 feels solid but not overly premium. It's sturdy enough to handle regular use without feeling flimsy. The maintenance is pretty straightforward. The dust cup is easy to empty, and cleaning the filters isn't complicated. The hair eliminator brush roll does an excellent job of keeping the brush clean, reducing the need for frequent maintenance. However, be prepared to clean the brush roll manually if you're dealing with heavy pet hair buildup. In terms of value for money, the Kenmore DU1275 offers a solid performance at a competitive price. With its powerful suction, large dust cup capacity, and multiple tools, it provides good value compared to other vacuums in the same price range. While it's not the most advanced model with smart features, it excels in its core cleaning performance and ease of use. If you're looking for a reliable vacuum that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this is a great option. Now, how does the Kenmore DU1275 compare to other models in the same category? Well, if you're looking for something similar, you might consider the Shark Navigator Liftaway, which offers similar suction power and versatile tools, but is priced a bit higher. The Shark Navigator also offers a liftaway feature, which means it can easily convert into a handheld vacuum, giving it an edge in terms of portability. On the other hand, the Kenmore is lighter and has a larger dust cup, which makes it a better choice for those who want to clean large areas without needing to empty the bin frequently. In terms of build quality, the Kenmore feels slightly more robust than some of its competitors in this price range. The swivel steering is definitely a standout feature, making it easier to navigate around furniture and corners, something the Shark Navigator doesn't always do as smoothly. However, the Navigator might be a better fit for people who prefer a more compact, lift-away option for cleaning stairs and upholstery. As for maintenance, both vacuums are fairly easy to maintain, but the Kenmore's automatic hair removal from the brush roll is a big bonus for pet owners. The Shark Navigator doesn't have this feature, so it requires a bit more effort when it comes to cleaning hair out of the brush. In terms of overall reliability and long-term durability, both vacuums should hold up well with proper care, though Kenmore has a good reputation for making durable, well-built machines. When it comes to longevity, there isn't a lot of specific data on the Kenmore DU1275, but given its solid construction and simple design, it should provide reliable service for years. Like most vacuums, it's important to regularly clean the filters and check for any blockages to ensure peak performance. Looking at customer support, Kenmore generally has a strong reputation for providing helpful support when issues arise, though it's always a good idea to check their warranty details to ensure you're covered for any potential problems. In summary, the Kenmore DU1275 Bagless upright vacuum delivers great cleaning performance across a variety of surfaces, especially for pet owners and those with larger spaces. Its powerful suction, ease of use, and extended reach make it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a full-sized vacuum that doesn't feel too heavy or cumbersome. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of some higher-end models, it does what it's designed to do very well, and at a reasonable price. If you need something reliable, versatile, and easy to maintain, the Kenmore DU1275 is certainly worth considering. Thanks for tuning in today. If you've used the Kenmore DU1275 or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your messes even cleaner. Goodbye.